Hi, today I'm part of Infinix Smart 7 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I'll just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the back side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, just with a simple touch. Just do it. I'm not pressing the fingerprint scanner, I just simply touch it and the device unlocked successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.